everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to recover DHL account password. Now to do that, what you need to do is open the DHL application, tap open the app, tap on the checkbox and then tap on agree and continue. Now to get logged in, you need to go to the three horizontal lines on the top left and then click on login. In the login section, what you need to do is you need to tap on the option forgot password. Tap that. This will begin the recovery process of your account. Please enter your email address or phone number. So here you need to provide either your email address or the phone number that you have used for the account creation of DHL. Type in the details. I'm going to type in the account email address. Then tap on next. Now once you provide your email address, a 6-digit code will be sent to the email address of yours for the verification. You need to go and open your Gmail on your phone device and open your mail. There's the DHL Express mobile mail. You need to copy this code from here. Click on copy and paste it over here on the text box. Tap on paste. This will verify your email address and you will be able to provide a new password for your DHL account. Type in the new password and then tap on save. This will change the password and you will be able to log in with the new password. Type in your email address, type in the new password, then tap on login. As you can see, you have been logged in with the updated password of yours. So this is a way how you can recover your DHL account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.